What if I told you that your bank account is not limited by your talent, your education, or your background, but by the people you choose to think with? Every breakthrough you admire was born in a room where minds collided, ideas fused, and courage multiplied. Napoleon Hill discovered a hidden force behind early wealth, a principle so simple most people overlook it, yet so powerful it can compress decades of struggle into a few focused years. Today you'll learn how to unlock that force and use it to accelerate your success. Watch till the end, because the final lesson could change who you become. Lesson 1. Success is a team sport. The prevailing myth of the self-made individual is one of the most pervasive and damaging illusions in the history of personal development. We are often sold a narrative of the lone genius, the visionary who toils in a garage until they emerge with a world-changing invention. But a closer look at history reveals that every significant achievement was the byproduct of a collective. To get rich early, or to achieve any level of outsized success, one must accept that individual capacity is inherently limited by time, energy, and perspective. The transition from a me mindset to a we mindset is the fundamental shift required to unlock the Mastermind Principle. This principle suggests that when two or more people coordinate their knowledge and effort in a spirit of harmony toward a definite purpose, they create a third mind that possesses far more power than the sum of its parts. Think of your brain as a single battery. While a single battery can power a flashlight, it cannot power a city. When you link batteries in a series, you multiply the voltage and the capacity to do work. In the realm of wealth creation, this multiplication happens through the diversity of skill sets. No single human being is equally gifted in high-level strategy, granular execution, complex finance, and long-term vision. By building a circle where each member brings a distinct strength, you effectively outsource your weaknesses. A visionary without an operator is just a dreamer. An operator without a visionary is a treadmill runner. When they join forces, they become an unstoppable engine of commerce. This coordinated effort doesn't just add to your potential, it multiplies it exponentially, allowing you to tackle projects that would be physically and mentally impossible to manage alone. Furthermore, a mastermind group acts as a psychological safety net and a creative catalyst. In the early stages of any venture, the burden of decision-making can be paralyzing. When you are the only one looking at a problem, your biases and fears often cloud your judgment. A team provides the intellectual equity necessary to navigate through uncertainty. This isn't just about sharing the workload, it's about the multiplication of intelligence. When 4 people brainstorm a solution, the ideas don't just add up, they collide and evolve. A thought from the finance expert sparks a creative pivot from the visionary, which is then grounded into reality by the execution specialist. This synergy is why the wealthy prioritize who over how. They don't ask, how can I do this? They ask, who can I partner with to ensure this gets done? Ultimately, the speed of your success is directly proportional to the quality of the people you have around you. Building a team is an investment in leverage. If you have to be the smartest person in every room you occupy, you have hit a ceiling that you will never break through. True wealth is built on systems, and the most important component of any system is the human capital driving it. By seeking out partners who are better than you in their respective niches, you create a culture of excellence that pulls everyone upward. Success is not a solo trek up a mountain. It is a synchronized expedition where the strength of the group ensures that even if one person slips, the mission continues. To reach the summit early, you must stop trying to carry the whole world on your shoulders and start building the team that will help you move it. Lesson 2. The right circle rewrites your identity. Human beings are biologically wired for social mimicry. We are social chameleons who unconsciously adopt the speech patterns, work ethics, and most importantly, the belief systems of the people we spend the most time with. This is the law of environmental programming. If your current circle views a $100,000 annual income as the pinnacle of success, your subconscious will treat that number as a glass ceiling. However, if you enter a room where the baseline conversation revolves around 8-figure exits and global impact, your brain undergoes a radical recalibration. Your identity is not a fixed trait, it is a fluid construct shaped by the standards of your tribe. When you upgrade your circle, you are essentially installing a new operating system for your life. The most profound shift occurs in your definition of normal. When you meet weekly with disciplined, high-achieving individuals, Behaviors that once felt like Herculean efforts, such as waking up at 5 a.m., rigorous fitness regimes or deep work blocks, become the standard. You no longer need to rely on willpower to stay disciplined because the social cost of being lazy becomes too high. In a high-level mastermind, there is a silent, benevolent pressure to keep up. You begin to feel healthy peer pressure. If everyone around you is closing deals and expanding their portfolios, you feel an organic drive to do the same. This isn't about toxic competition, it's about the elevation of your baseline expectations. You stop asking if something is possible and start asking how it can be achieved faster. Furthermore, the right circle rewrites your internal dialogue. We all have a governor on our ambition, a voice that warns us not to fly too high or take too much risk. That voice is often the echoed anxieties of our current environment. By surrounding yourself with people who have already conquered the fears you are currently facing, you normalize bravery. Their reality becomes your roadmap. When you see someone just like you handling a multi-million-dollar crisis with composure, your own problems begin to look small and manageable. You realize that the only difference between you and the person you want to become is a series of habits and a specific way of processing information. The mastermind provides the mirror that reflects back a more capable version of yourself. Over time, this immersion leads to a permanent shift in your self-image. You stop seeing yourself as a striver and start seeing yourself as a peer to the successful. This identity shift is the ultimate shortcut to wealth. Most people try to change their results by changing their actions, but they neglect their identity. This is why lottery winners often lose everything. Their bank account changed, but their identity stayed poor. A mastermind ensures that your internal growth precedes your external wealth. By the time the big money arrives, you aren't surprised because you've been living and thinking at that level for months or years. You haven't just changed what you do, you have changed who you are, and that is a transformation that no market crash or setback can ever take away. Lesson 3. Clarity comes from collision. Isolation is the enemy of clarity. When you process your ideas entirely within the confines of your own mind, you are living in an echo chamber. You become enamored with your own logic and blind to your own biases. Clarity from collision is the process of taking your most cherished plans and slamming them against the hard truths and diverse perspectives of other high-level thinkers. It is a form of intellectual stress testing. Just as a sword is forged through heat and hammering, a business strategy is made resilient through the friction of debate. A mastermind group serves as a laboratory where your ideas are dissected, analyzed, and reconstructed into something far more robust than the original concept. One of the greatest values of a mastermind is the exposure of blind spots. We all have unknown unknowns, risks and opportunities that we aren't even aware we're missing. You might be focused on the marketing of a product while completely ignoring a massive legal vulnerability or a simpler path to distribution. A peer with a different background will see those gaps instantly. They aren't emotionally attached to your idea, so they can see it objectively. This outsider perspective is priceless. One powerful, uncomfortable question from a peer like "Why are you doing this yourself instead of outsourcing it?" or "How does this actually scale?" can save you years of wasted effort. These collisions force you to defend your logic, which either strengthens your conviction or highlights the need for a pivot. Moreover, the collision of ideas fosters true innovation. Rare is the idea that arrives fully formed and perfect. Most breakthroughs are the result of combinatorial creativity, taking an idea from one industry and applying it to another. In a mastermind composed of people from different sectors, this happens naturally. A real estate investor might share a tax strategy that a software founder can adapt, or a retail expert might offer a customer service insight that revolutionizes a service business. These cross-pollinations only happen when you are willing to put your ideas in the ring and let them collide with others. The resulting clarity allows you to move with a level of certainty that the lone wolf simply cannot possess. This process also eliminates the sunk cost fallacy. We often stick with bad ideas because we've already invested time and ego into them. A mastermind group doesn't care about your ego, they care about your success. They provide the radical candor necessary to tell you when you're heading toward a cliff. While it can be bruising to the ego to have a plan torn apart, it is far less painful than losing your life savings on a flawed premise. By the time you leave a mastermind session, your plan has been through the fire. You walk away not just with a better strategy but with the mental clarity that comes from knowing your path has been vetted by the best. Collision is the price of precision. Lesson 4. Accountability compresses time. The greatest gap in the world is the gap between knowing and doing. Most people have enough knowledge to be successful, but they lack the consistent execution required to cross the finish line. This is where accountability becomes a superpower. In a vacuum, it is easy to make excuses to yourself. You can tell yourself that you were too busy or that the timing wasn't right, and there are no immediate consequences. However, inside a mastermind, your goals are no longer private wishes, they are public commitments. When you stand before a group of people you respect and declare what you will accomplish by next week, the social cost of failure becomes a powerful motivator. Accountability turns should into must. This public commitment creates a psychological phenomenon known as compression. When you know you have to report your progress to a board of peers, you stop procrastinating. You find ways to collapse tasks that would normally take a month into a single week. The mere existence of a deadline enforced by a group of equals forces efficiency. You start to prioritize the high-value tasks that actually move the needle, rather than the busy work that makes you feel productive without producing results. In this environment, consistency is no longer an optional trait you strive for, it is the price of admission. You don't want to be the one person in the group who shows up with excuses while everyone else is showing up with wins. Accountability also helps you manage the inevitable dips in motivation. Every long-term project has a middle phase where the initial excitement has worn off and the finish line is still far away. This is where most people quit. A mastermind group provides the external structure to keep you moving when your internal battery is low. They provide the nudge you need to stay the course. Because they are invested in your success, they won't let you off the hook easily. They will challenge your excuses and remind you of why you started. This constant rhythmic pressure ensures that you never drift too far off course, effectively shortening the duration of your journey to success. Ultimately, time is the only non-renewable resource we have. The faster you can iterate, learn, and execute, the more life you get to live at the top. Accountability is the turbocharger for your career. It removes the friction of indecision and the lethargy of comfort. When you are part of a high-stakes accountability circle, you compress a decade of results into a few years of focused, intense effort. You aren't just working harder, you are working within a system that makes failure through inaction almost impossible. By externalizing your discipline, you free up your internal energy for creativity and growth, knowing that the group will keep your feet to the fire until the job is done. Lesson 5. Aligned purpose attracts opportunities. There is a magnetic quality to a group of people moving in the same direction with absolute conviction. When a mastermind group aligns around a shared purpose or even a set of shared values, they create a force field of momentum. This momentum is highly visible to the outside world. Mentors, investors, and high-level partners are naturally drawn to movements, not individuals. A lone wolf, no matter how talented, looks like a risk. A unified group, however, looks like a sure thing. Alignment creates a sense of inevitability that attracts the very resources you need to scale. It is the difference between trying to push a boulder up a hill and being part of a landslide. The concept of leverage is central to this lesson. When you are aligned with others, your reach extends far beyond your own network. Every member of your mastermind has their own sphere of influence. When the group is in sync, those networks merge. An opportunity that comes to one member becomes an opportunity for the whole group. If one person needs a specific connection in government, another member likely has it. If one person needs a specific type of capital, another knows the source. This network effect means that the opportunities seeking you out grow at an exponential rate. You are no longer hunting for deals, you are part of a hub that deals naturally gravitate toward. Furthermore, aligned purpose provides a filter for the right kind of opportunities. In the world of high-level success, the danger isn't a lack of opportunity, it's a surplus of the wrong ones. A mastermind helps you stay focused on your North Star. Because the group understands your ultimate aim, they can help you vet incoming offers to ensure they align with your long-term vision. This prevents the shiny object syndrome that derails so many promising entrepreneurs. When your purpose is clear and your circle is aligned, You stop chasing every dollar and start attracting the specific wealth that builds a legacy. You become a specialist in your field, and the world rewards specialists far more than generalists. Finally, the energy of a shared mission creates a psychological resonance that sustains the group through hardship. When you are part of something bigger than yourself, your personal why is bolstered by the collective why. This collective energy is what builds brands, movements, and empires. People want to be associated with groups that have a clear sense of direction and a high level of integrity. By aligning your purpose with a mastermind of like-minded individuals, you create a beacon that signals your readiness for higher levels of responsibility and reward. Success is attracted to clarity and repelled by confusion. When you unite with others, you amplify your signal, ensuring that the right doors open at the right time. Wealth grows faster when thinking grows together. Choose your circle with intention, meet with purpose, and act with discipline. The mastermind principle isn't magic, it's multiplied momentum. If you want to rise early, don't climb alone. Build your room of thinkers. Start today, and let your future thank you for the company you keep.